Ngwatanio ya Makanisa nthi ya Kenya NCCK niyatula muti nthi ya Kenya yiendeeye maivuthiisya vanene kukwatwa na kuawa kwa enenthi mainene ya ikuthani Kitui South kavinani ka kunengania kwa silanga ula makite na ilovyo syo matongoiwe ni mwene kivila wa Dr. Elias Ogola ni makulia serikali kukwatila aki sya kikatiba na kunenga enenthi uthasyo kuielesya vate kulikililwa. Onesmus Chalo ni mwandikitwa mavokuma kaunti ya Kitui.
Mwene kivila wa makanisa ma NCCK nthi ya Kenya Reverend Dr. Elias Ogola niwawetakana nthi ya Kenya ndiendenesa kumana na uwani na utakiwa nyarola wende vindani ya Kenya methite maikoswa vanene Silikali enene kutha kwa Kitui chethio valevukire nthini wa chathi cha kunengane silanga umwe nolo nenzwe ni kanisa NCCK kwi enenthi niwawetakana vena vato wa Kenya manengo Mwanya Meyielese na kwithukiwa.
The state of our nation has not been very good, and as a church we cannot keep quiet when things go wrong.
Reverend iwetakana Silikali ni ele kunenga Kenya mwanya wa kuielesya na kimethukiisya vala wetakana kuwana muno amwika nthini wa maandamano ala methite maitwa nthi ya Kenya ni ukuno munene kwasya amwika wa nthi ya Kenya.
We would want to say that we condemn by all terms strongly the abductions, the killings and the maimings of our youth. It happened the other day when people just had some fracas in Nairobi and other cities, and very many lives were lost. One life lost is rather too much for too many for any of a country, and we want to feel with those families. We want to say that it is not right to abduct people just to kill them. They leave these families without breadwinners, without their children.
Wanawiyovo niwawetakana wasya wa kanisa niwele kwithukiswa ni atongo vamwe na thukumi ma Silikali nokana kukwatiania na Kenya na kuthukuma memwamba.
And so we don't want to single out just one person, but we say that this is wrong, and we are using our avenues to speak truth to power, and we shall do it at every time. But we are waiting to tell the country loud and clear through our statement that will be issuing.
Report Blingo Movombo Tongo TV. Nito Onesmus Chalo.